Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus smartphone, and in this video tutorial we would like to show how you can set the screen sleep timer to never on this device. So basically, if we'll go to the settings, open up the always on display and lock screen category, and open up expand the sleep values that we can set, we'll realize that the maximum value that the system allows us to choose by the default means of it is 10 minutes. So in order for us to be still able to set it to never, we are going to use the free Google Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's open up the Google Play Store. Here at the search bar you want to type in Caffeine, just like so. That is exactly the app that we are looking for, so let's go ahead and install it. Now we can open the app itself, and in here all that is left to do for us is to make sure that the timeout value is set to infinite, and that will effectively mean that as long as the Caffeine application is active and running, your screen on this device will not go to sleep, will not turn off automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. So basically you will be only able to turn it off manually, just like so. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.